Fun. How was school, Pooh? What you learned today? I've been on TT. I've been on TikTok. TikTok and you don't stop. You said you've been where, Legend? I mean, you said you learned what, Pooh? Pronouns? Saturday. Okay, common nouns, proper nouns. Okay, okay. I love that. Okay, you paying attention. You said say it again? Somebody paying attention. Okay, Pooh. Okay. Hmm. That is true. Okay. Okay. No, you good. You doing good, Pooh. Okay. You so smart. Mm. It's called repetition. So that's how you repetition. Like keep, repeating it, repeating it, repeating it. That's called repetition. That's how you remember things and learn more and more. I need me another drinky drink. They got soccer goals at their house. They got soccer goals back there at their house. Mm. How did I end up over here? Look, ain't that crazy how that side of the road is wet? Thank you. It must have rained over here. It must have rained over here. Thank you, Parktown. Uh. You might say, wanna see me twerk something? Bands going, throw them bands going, throw them bands, throw them bands going, throw them bands going, throw them bands. I got all my man's button up. Shit. How much further are we? Come on. I did not agree to come out here. It's not this way, Legend. I had stuff to do. I'm gonna try to make it. If not, we'll go. We'll go. I'm gonna take you. Tomorrow's Blue's birthday. Mhm. Mhm. He's an August baby. He's a Leo. And then it's what is it? Is it Virgo next? No, August 13th. Today the 12th. Yes, it is. Today is the 12th. Cool. Today is the 12th. I'll show you in a second. Yeah. Would I tell Legend today is August 12th? What's today's date, y'all? That was yesterday. That was yesterday. That was yesterday. Yesterday was August 12th. Today, no. Yesterday was August 11th. Today is August 12th. Tomorrow is August 13th. Yesterday was August 11th. Today is August 12th. See, look, they're all saying today is August 12th. See, August 12th. This just took me all the way out the way. I want to go home. I gotta go pick up this stuff for Blue, man. I'm ready to go home. I don't really feel like I'm gonna get my nails done today. We supposed to go bowling today. I don't think I feel like even going bowling no more. Today is the 12th, Pooh. Yesterday was the 11th. It's so much traffic out here. I want to take a nap. I done had me a drinky drink. Traffic. I know, right? They don't care about traffic. What you know about road rage, Legend? And how you know I get road rage? I don't get road rage. I get road rage, Legend. What I be doing? What do I? What I be saying? What I be saying? What I be saying, Legend? I'm like, what is you doing? Can't drive. That's road rage. I go farther than that. What I be doing, Legend? No, I don't. No, I do. Legend, you reaching. Legend, you reaching right now, bro. They talking about you be going farther than that. I do not have road rage. That's because people don't know how to drive.
Turn right, then take the first left.
You coming in? Because they be doing work for us. Is that okay with you? Who be on everybody's live like crazy? Oh, he. People get ignored. I'm tired. I'm so sore. I'm so sore. Hey, I'm coming to pick up for Blue, my fiance. Thank you. It smell like what? It smell like bubbles.
All I smell is bubbles, and all I feel is I smell bubbles.
Which way do I go? I think I go this way to go home.
No ice cream.
First of all, don't get on here starting with me, King. I missed the workout yesterday because I had to go to court. I had to go. Am I going the right way? Hold on, y'all. All right. And I missed today because I had court yesterday, and I missed today because I had a meeting. I went to court, so this is what happened. I went to court, and the judge wasn't able to hear my motion because my case got assigned to a new judge. And my motion is getting transferred to the new judge. So I gotta wait to get on the new calendar date.
Wait, Mom, what is this?
That's what happened.
Is that a car dealership?
No, that's a gym.
That?
Mm-hmm. Shark.
I didn't know.
That's it. Yeah, so I went to court yesterday for my ankle monitor because I got a lawyer. And my lawyer put in a motion. My lawyer put in a motion to, because at first I had no assigned judge. I had no assigned judge, no assigned case, no case number, nothing, right? And so my lawyer put in a motion to, get my ankle monitor off. But when we went to court, it ended up assigned to a judge, but it wasn't that judge who picked it up. So now I have to wait.
Save 3 minutes via I-85
Hold
North.
on. So now I gotta wait to the assigned judge put it on the calendar for my motion to be heard. So I didn't even get to talk to the judge, unfortunately. But I'm not mad though. It's cool because my son had a driving test yesterday and he passed. He got his license. And yesterday was a good day besides the court shit. It was cool. I'm not mad. I'm not angry because I'm going to be off eventually. It's not the end of the world. So, yeah. Huh? Yes, of course. Not you clocking me, though. Not you clocking me. But I wasn't in the gym. I'm so tired. Not you, legend. I'm tired. I'm going to take a nap. I'm about to go lay down. I'm going to try. I need an energy drink or something. What time is it? I'm hungry. I haven't even ate today. The only thing I had was a coffee, and I had some like jalapeno puffs, like some little jalapeno cheese puffs.
Too tired. If you're like too tired,
Hmm.
you gotta you gotta lay on the bed downstairs.
He over there putting the wall up.
So by the time always don't know.
Nico asked me to bring him some Wendy's. No, I'm not stopping. I'm going home. I don't want to stop nowhere. I just want to go home. He can go get his own Wendy's.